Here's another super low mileage 2013 Ford Econoline Handicap Wheelchair conversion van. Beautiful condition, 22,000 original miles. It has a VMI 2-post side entry wheelchair lift. 22,000 miles. Original, clean Carfax. Gorgeous, gorgeous van. Extremely hard to find with these low miles. Has a hardcore rubber floor, tie down system, nice tires. This is a beautiful van all the way around. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You know where to find us. Boca Raton, Florida. We've been in business 47 years. This van is absolutely beautiful. Has a K-Series VMI side entry wheelchair lift, 600-pound capacity, hardcore rubber floor. Super clean inside and out. Beautiful non-smoker, factory navigation, backup camera on the big screen. 22,352 miles. It might go up a little bit just from demonstrating, but that's it. Gorgeous, gorgeous van. Hardcore rubber floor here. Does have tie-down system, rear bench seat, and it does have extra space here from where the bench seat was, so there's plenty of room here for one or possibly two wheelchairs. Very nice condition, 20,000 miles. Impossible to find. Backup camera, navigation, like I said, it's your cargo area. As you can see, the van is very, very nice. 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, we've been in business 47 years. We specialize in these vans. We can ship this right to your doorstep. Don't hesitate to give us a call or send us a text. If you need any more information whatsoever, we are more than happy to help. Gorgeous, gorgeous condition. You won't find another one with this low of miles. Ready to roll. Needs nothing at all. Gorgeous paint. There's hardly anything to point out. I mean, the outside is flawless. Laser straight down the sides. Rust-free van. Spent its life in the South. It's very nice and clean. There's no undercoating on this van. As you can see, it's very nice underneath. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Don't hesitate to give us a call. 954-561-2499. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Happy to help at any time. Show you how the wheelchair lift works. It's a very good wheelchair lift as well. It's one of the best VMIs you can get. Has a handheld pendant. Super easy to use. Had to move the door, swung in the way there. There are hooks to keep the doors open, just if you're wondering. Very nice van. Don't hesitate to give us a call at 954-561-2499. Text us to that number. We're more than happy to help. It's a beautiful, beautiful van. Check out the tires. Knee deep in tread. Very, very nice. .6 liter V8. Clean, clean, clean. Nine 954-561-2499. Feel free to give us a call at any time. Awesome, awesome 20,000 mile van. Happy to help. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Thank you.